Good morning. Okay, give me 1 second. My camera is not properly. Uh, yeah. Oh my god. I'm link. Give me 1 second. My camera is no. Oh, there we go. Nice. Sorry about that. Yes. What a move, Pearson. Good morning. Um, let's jump right in. Real quick. Here we have the dollar. So there you go. Look at the dollar. Dollar is collapsing 1%. It's hitting some areas, but I don't really trust these areas. Um, Same for the rates. 10-year yield is collapsing 4% to 4.45. So yeah, the setup today is long. The question is where at, right? Where at? Um, we did have the headline inflation came better than expected, and here's a chart. Look at the 2000 volume bar. Insane. So we have a pre-market resistance support here, 73 to 70, and then we have another support here at 64.58. And then we have resistance here. Now we have to be careful with the shorts today. We have to be careful with the shorts. We don't want to just step in front of a train. Commodities are going up. Dollar and rates are collapsing. So it's a textbook long. Now let's see what the internals tells us during the trading session. And if the internals look, the internals are gonna open very bullish. All the internals are gonna open very bullish. I figure a advanced decline should be around plus 2200 or 2000. But if I see a sudden collapse to, let's say, plus 500 is where I want to see if I can short. But I don't think we will have the opportunity to short today. Let's see where can we engage in this thing long. Okay. Like I said, I'm not like 100% close to the short, but I really want to see a lot of evidence that we can take a short. Location is going to be hard to find today. Either if we get to this 73 or 65, it's not a good location, but it's better than just taking a 82 or something, right? All right, 10 seconds for this thing to open. There you go. Let's go here, and we are off. Look at this gap. How massive it is. So blue lines is the overnight high. I didn't put the extension line, which are the yellow ones, because we already consumed the entire ATR. We in average we move 53 points, but we moved more than that. We are moving actually 65 points. It was a good thing that yesterday we took a short and we didn't take any other trade. I think it was good. I was short bias and the market slowly, not slowly, but held that area, the 08, and then suddenly moved towards the highs, and then we went sideways for the rest of the day. So that's good. It's good when you prevent going against the trend, right? I had no long opportunities whatsoever on a shocker day. Well, uh, first relax. First relax because you don't know what the market can surprise you. I've seen this thing going up 1% and going down 1% in the same day. I'm not gonna say is the case today, but let's relax and wait for the internals to tell us what to do. All right, I'm gonna review these internals. Advanced decline. There we go. Like I said, 2200 is not advanced decline is actually at 2365 and going higher. I would estimate like 96.7% of stocks in New York are going up. Tick chart opened up at plus 1500. Um, we need to manage our expectations, right? Why do we expect this thing to? It's already consuming the entire um day range, right? So I don't think this thing is gonna go 2 more percent. It could, but that's not something that I think every day, right? And when it happens, it just surprises me. After this move, I think is a good how do you call that, like, possibility that I do not take a trade. If we have some sort of retracement, yes. For us to take a short, first advanced decline has to go down, and it's just holding there. Banks are selling off after the open a little bit. I think it is important to manage our own expectations with the market today. I mean, 73 is not a bad location. I think is a good location given the fact of this price action right after CPI. Yeah, we might not even get to 73. Well, here's the thing. If it comes to 80, let's say 80, still location is not great. Still location is not good. 73, we have the pre-market resistance, is pre-market support here right after the news. Could be this one. I'm gonna put this one, 77. And I will have to see buyers coming in aggressively. Bro, look at the candle at 9:35. Look at that shit. Wow. Look at the imbalance. Volume volume is extremely higher, bro. Look at that thing. Could it be short covering? No, there is a divergence there, but I'm not even considering that shit. Hmm? Yeah, tick chart, like the worst print is plus 600. Close the computer and let's go. Go work out. Huh? I mean, it looks like it is hard for this thing to drop with this headline. Dollar still collapsing. Um, bro, Walmart is hitting all-time highs. All-time high? Yeah, Walmart. And I think Microsoft might be too. Yeah, Microsoft opened at all-time high. Bro, that's a roll. You want to 20% in 2 weeks. 20% in 2 weeks. McDonald's actually suffers when inflation is down because they get more businesses. People cannot buy all that stuff. They go eat McDonald's. Any of you taking a trade? I'm not very enthusiastic. I might just take off. Probably if we come back to 88. I don't really like it though. But it's proving 86. 86 is proven being a support, right? Let's wait for the next 15 or 30. Do you trade it, or do you take it trades or no? Or you just what do you like, Ali? What location? What? Hmm. New 15. That's a new candle. Bro, look at the advanced decline. I don't think I've seen it so high. 24.43. Wow. I mean, there are 2,800. No, there are 2,800 stocks in the NYSE. So I think the max it can be is 2,800, right? But then you have What I'm gonna do while I wait for a trade, I'm gonna review the BLS Bureau of Labor Statistics. Go to the CPI PDF. All items 0.4%. This is the quarter. Food at home minus 0.2. Energy services. Bro, tick is super positive. It's plus 1,000.
Taking a short.
Yeah, I don't think taking a short is a good option. There's a high possibility that I don't take a trade today. You guys don't need to take trades. I've always thought that I needed to trade because I'm a day trader, right? You need to take trades. If you don't trade, then you don't make money. But guess what? If you take crappy trades, you're gonna lose money. So unless you have a setup here to go long, I you should take it. But that's not how I trade. I don't feel comfortable just getting in here. It's very positive. Tick is right now is plus 600. Mm-hmm. Now I have a resistance here. This red line is resistant. This is a COT. This is a high volume node, and from here we dropped like 300 points. Let's see how this goes. All right, now tick is at 0. Finally. How do you like this one, Ale? 98?
98 for what?
For short. Look at this candle, bro.
Are you serious?
1,000 minus 300. No, I'm not gonna take it. Not to be honest, I don't want to take it.
You want to take it?
No, I don't want to take it. But as per the footprint, I have a massive candle here. 99.50. No. No, I don't want to take it. I actually think the short is suicidal as of now. Like, unless the tick and the advanced clients start, giving us some information, I think it's too early. You might get lucky and win a trade, but in the long run, I think it's not good. Rates are bouncing a little bit from my demand. The dollar still hasn't gotten to the demand though. Bro, completely erased that
Right now.
candle. Yeah. Yeah, there's no way. Forget about it. Huh? And what a short. Oof. Do you see that? Wow. Do you see it? 10,000 orders came. No, sorry. 4,000 orders came in like market. Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bro, look at the footprint. It's incredible. Look at that. The minimum delta is minus 1100, maximum is 1000. Yeah. No, there are a lot of buyers there. There are buyers. There are buyers. And I don't see any sign of this thing
If it was
dropping.
gonna drop, it should drop right now.
Well,
But
you
we'll
don't
see.
know. Like 10 a.m. is in 5 minutes. Let's see if 10 a.m. can change this. But actually, 4,500 is a psychological number. Like, there are going to be sellers there. I personally don't think it's going to drop because of the tick and the advanced decline. Bro, but 4,000 contracts came in like this. One click. And the shit moved like 3 points. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of this. Bro, it's incredible.
Almost.
Almost 10 a.m. and no print on the tick below zero. No, it didn't. Yeah. No, I'm not gonna short. You crazy? Yeah. There are sellers there, but I don't think they can push the market down. Like, big money sells when this thing happens. You know what I'm saying? They cash out. They sell their positions when the market is up big time. $1.74%. Which one?
9,000 so orders 1,000. Negative 700 to 1,000.
Yeah, but look where it closed. It's just 3 points up. Like the only candle that I would say it was important to the upside. Let me see if I can find it here. Look at the 935. 935 is 4,000 positive delta. Yeah. Bro, a good location for me is 4490. I know it's far now, but the farther I go, I need a better location. 97, I don't like 97. Could say like 92. Overnight is good. Look at this behavior. False breakout, and then finally breaks out after they fuck over all the momentum traders. Sayonara. Commenting futures live. Huh? Yesterday break even and today no trade. Reading futures live. It is what it is. Like the Franco from 4 years ago will be shorting big time. Franco from 4 years ago will be shorting.
Yeah.
Yeah. Big volume. But look at that thing. Look at that. Wow. Yeah, yeah. Forget
Sorry,
about it.
this
Don't
thing is
don't
like
stand in front of this, guys.
you have more.
Bro, honestly, is we should do a fitness channel. When this thing happens, we do fitness. We work out, whatever, but we don't take stupid trades. Fitness channel.
In the 80 version dropping.
It's hard. Like even if look, even if it gets to 1,000, what are you gonna do? Still 1,000 positive. But look at this thing. I mean, it hasn't go up. It hasn't gone up because it cannot. Like that's uh that's as bullish as it can be. Bro, no. Point that out. No, of course not. Why would you? Unless not shorting, unless you have positions and you've been on the water or whatever, and you want to just close them out, or you decide to sell a position that you have from weeks, months ago. That's the only way I justify just selling, right? But to open up a short right there, I think it's suicidal. Not because I think the market will go up 3% more today. That's not realistic. But just the environment. The environment is very bullish. You don't know where it's gonna stop. And I do have supplies. Look at this one. 4512 to 30. That's high quality supply. That's high quality. It's see if I can show it to you. Let's do the 4 hours. Yeah. Is all this. And from here we dropped big time. So from 13 we came down to wow, 400 points almost, right? So I think this area is gonna put some pressure to the downside now. It's a very good and high quality area, and location wise and structure wise. I find it hard to believe that prices are gonna slide, go like as slide this down through without a retracement. Bro, now you have a lot of negative delta. You see that? Spider, I know you look at that. Look at the candle since 1002. All negative deltas. Negative delta. Minus 800. Flat. Minus 800. Minus 300. Minus 500. Minus 300. That might be
What do you think about 45?
no. It has this support. No. No, I'm not gonna short. Look, um I mean, look at these two candles. Where was it? I think it was here. Like, damn, 4,000 orders and it didn't even move the price down. No, no way. So let's wait. Let's wait for this thing to give us the to do its thing, right? Even if it's gonna go down, and even if it's gonna go down, right? Even if it's gonna go down, Let's wait for the internals to start talking to us. So you were thinking 4,500, Ale. This candle has a massive volume, positive delta here at 4,500. I personally like 46. I played overnight. What is it? Support line. Oh, support line. That was it. And you know what? Probably this candle attracted a lot of shorts, bro.
I was momentum butter.
What?
Body was momentum traders running on 100 butter.
Oh, if they shorted at 45,
Yeah, a lot of it.
bro. If we start going sideways, we can play the range, right? On the 44.85. With this volatility, I don't think it's hard to get to down to 44.85. Yeah, but we're not even that. We're not having that.
Yeah. This is the type of day that if you don't go long setup and
Yeah.
even if the market moves down, I
No.
think my 4,500.
I don't like the location though. Bro, when I have a very bad trading day and I look back on how many trades and the mistakes I made, like everything could have been solved by being patient, right? So on days like this that I feel FOMO because market is going up 2% and I I didn't get in, I don't know, probably here, let's say 85. I didn't get in at 85. Um I just think in those bad days that I've had and how just being patient would have made me richer and a better trader. Thank you, brother. Thank you. It's a simple video, just reviewing all my trades and the common mistakes. Um, I make them for myself, you know, because I learned a lot making the videos, right? I learned a lot about my own trading. And now what I'm doing right now, I started off now that we don't have like a setup right now. I started off doing this, right? So I've done this for years. I've done this for years. I've done the market context for years. You can do this is June last year, May 22. You can go back to 21. So and you see, right? I take pictures of the pre-market. I basically review every news, every, you know, I've been doing that for years, right? But now what I'm doing is not only the pre-market, but right after the market close, I like to see this. Like I like to where is it? I like to review what the market did. I don't see it, bro. Oh, you see here? After market close, I just review what the market did and how I reacted uh, in the market, what the final movement was, what I should have done, what I could have done better, and so on. So I think that is teaching me even more than look at this. Look, this is the opportunity to sell, whatever. And watch the market, study the market, right? Look, recognizing footprints and so on. Um, I think that's how you become better. Just reviewing and um, analyzing what you did and what you could have done better. So I probably will release a video about how to um, create a methodology around trading, right? Not necessarily trading like I do, like I trade, but how to create your own methodology, right? How to improve your own trading. Let's say you use an indicator. I don't use indicators, but let's say you use an indicator. Um, how to analyze what the indicator did and different time frames, whatever. Bro, I saw the video that Umar posted yesterday too that he made 400,000 in October. He says that the vast majority of the time that he spends in front of the computer is just waiting for a trade. No action. I I realize that opportunities are
You don't go after. If it doesn't work out, very chasing.
Yeah.
Absolutely chasing. But you do learn from solo.
Yeah, I don't see it going either. But look, the market can surprise you. Now, here's the thing, right? I would like to take a long before we get to 45.13. There might not be a retracement though. If we get to 45.13 and we have a change on the internals, we might flip the bias. But for now, just hanging around, hanging out, right? This is a trader hangout instead of a trading session. Yeah. Yeah. See how this one goes. We went up 10% in 2 weeks. What the fuck is that? Huh? You see that? How much is this? This is October 27th, right? We were at 45.37. What is that? 18 trading days, 9%. Wow. That's wild. 371 points. Dollar has gotten to the demand, it's reacting a little bit. Not much. But look. Here's the dollar. It blew this one. Now it's holding up this one. Rates have been here for a little longer. Let's review the 30 minutes. Yeah, 30 minutes bouncing here a little bit. You know what, Pearson? Are you part of the Discord? Because we can do Discord and just put it on the live stream. I think it's a good practice. I mean, a lot of people will benefit off of trading on Discord. Okay, so um, because one of the thing is that this is a trading channel. It's not my trading channel, and this is just one way communication, right? It shouldn't be like that. Like if you're part of the Discord, we can put the Discord, your screen, my screen. Like we're independent traders, right? You have an idea, I have another idea. I could learn from you. Pearson, shoot me a DM on Discord so I have your user. And you too, Spider, so we can do a live stream with you guys on. I have my friend George. If I got it ready for today, I will put him on tomorrow. I think he trades from Tuesday to Fridays. Block. Because that not me Kevin is a scammer.
Oh, early workout today.
Yep.
Bro, besides, you didn't have any entry, right? I don't know why I didn't do the 45.
I mean, yeah, you know me, right? I don't like that.
Not about location. Not
It
the best.
is horrible. Honestly, it's horrible. I
Yeah.
like the best one I like, not the best one, like the first one I really like. First one I really like is 4492.
Okay, well,
I have 96
yeah.
and then no, I put it here because you said it, but this is not my favorite. And then 87 77 three quarters.
It was like a level.
Yeah, no, that is true. That is
Then
true.
a reload. And it has those pivots
This and
down,
this.
down.
Yeah, and this one were like aggressive orders coming in. These two candles, these two red candles were very aggressive. What time they happened? 49, so it's 50 here. 950. Look at 950. Plus 1000 minus 300. And then you have this one plus 1000 minus 1000. And now follow through. Yeah. Bro, and this, look at this last candle. Minus 200 plus 1300.
Let's see if 13 is.
Bro, bro, look at the RTY. 4%. 4% up, bro.
Just today.
Just today. Wow.
Bro,
And we're flat for the year on the RTY.
we're only down like.
No, we're down like 8%
That's
for the year now. Yeah, this dotted line
open.
is the open for the year. ¿Qué dice?
Not a fan of trading during high impact news. I typically like the price. I typically like to let the price come down, find direction or support or balance. News with news days typically have price going all over the place with no clear price to take where it wants. If I can read, then I'm paying.
Um, a swing trade, you say? No, no, no contigo con Pearson. Swing trade probably. Again, a lot of negative deltas for the last three candles. 3 minutes. No, I have not. Um, how many ticks? How many ticks? More than one? I mean, you should have gotten filled. That is weird. 4 ticks? Uh was it during the news? I mean, let's analyze this, because if it was very quick, yeah, but it makes no sense that it went through and it didn't fill you in. It has no sense to me that unless the spread was very high at the time, and when I say very high, 4 ticks or more, where you had transactions, but actually you had very little transactions. Oh, when was it? Today? The fuck, 4 ticks. They should have. Is a PA account? Yesterday it is a PA account. You know PA are not real, right? PA. So you should have gotten filled. I don't. I want to be 100% honest to you. I don't think Apex cheats on their traders. Why they would, right? Especially in that case, because you can't compare your data with mine, and I have a different provider. My provider right here is not Rhythmic. It is Ninja Trader. Is based on an algorithm that Rhythmic uses. Do you remember yesterday how I got filled in one of my trades and my real account did not get filled? Because my real account, the the order is actually going through the exchange, and I did not get filled. So being even a simulated account, you should have gotten filled. I don't get what bullshit they gave you. How is not their problem? They're providing you the data. I think Rhythmic has an algorithm that basically estimates the number of availability, but it's not real time. It is it has to have a delay, because if it's real time, there's no way it can be real time because your order is not there. So you're not in line waiting, right? You're just there, and they estimate that you are in one sort of place, right? But it's all simulated, it's not real. That's why I think I got filled yesterday, and my real account did not get filled. But I can tell you this, Spider. The NQ is certainly a lot less liquid that the ES than the ES. I mean, probably the spread was very high in that time. And if the spread was high, there's a chance. And that has happened to me. That has happened to me big time. A lot of times. Like, but I don't think that would happen on the ES. Ale, can you compare your this sim environment makes it hard cause the true volume isn't established. Yeah. Oh yeah. Uh yeah, I know what you mean. So now, um, for instance, this is the ES, right? This is the ES. But let's say, um, I want to put my real account here. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change here my real account, right? I'm gonna put this ES, duplicate a new tab. I'm gonna put here the ES, right? Bro, it's hard to see. It's hard to see because this DOM just giving me like couple points, like 3 points, right? Let's say if I have a stable here and it moves so fast that like you cannot see your order in the grid. Can you? Can you see your order in the grid? Even if I have even if I have a real, I wouldn't see. Let's say this is my order, right? No, let me see if I can change my, yeah. This is my real account. They have a limit order of 402, right? If I move it to 1050, just a couple ticks. I don't want to take a risk here, but 1050, 1050, 1075. Yeah, it's hard for me to see if I am in the line, you know? It's hard for me to see. Yeah, but for sure on the with this volatility or volume is hard to see, but tomorrow we can check if the volume is lower. Let's see 11 3 quarters. 11 3 quarters is 106. 11 3 quarters is 106. There you go. I go. You see that? It went up. Now is 106, 108. If I click it out, 110, 19. You see that? I was in the I was in the order book. I was in the order book. Whereas if you put an apex order, that is not going to change. That is not going to change. Yeah, I know what you mean. It's you're never gonna know. And if all the apex orders come into the market, probably can change the entire outlook of the market in any given day, right? People are trading multiple accounts. There you go. Right, with the sim is not. I know. And figure this. I was trading 17 accounts yesterday, and all of them had one micro. That's 17 micros that are quote unquote not in the market, but they got filled. You know what I'm saying? But if it goes through, unless the spread is more than 4 ticks, you should have gotten filled. If the spread is less is more if the spread is more than 4 ticks, yes, there was some wiggle room, yeah, and you probably were too far in the line and you didn't get filled. But the spread has to be as big as the you know the number of ticks that went through the the entry price. Correct. Yeah, correct. Yeah, I might not gotten filled yesterday, but it doesn't matter. Like I didn't get filled in my real account because actually I needed a buyer for me to sell there. But actually, I don't think why they will benefit of that happening to you. Like given the fact that they're banking you, right? They are betting that you just lose all your money, but because they are in the other side of your trades, right? But why they would like it's not like in forex that they could change the candles, they could change the spread. If you go from one broker to another one in forex, since they don't have a centralized exchange, charts can be different, right? Not much, but they can steal you. Your broker can steal you, right? In terms of spread and so on. But here is I think it's very hard. Like you're comparing my data. Yes, on forex, yes. You're taking 4,500 again?
Me?
Yeah.
Maybe
4,508. Yeah, probably.
sort of losing.
Bro, just let's appreciate that we can trade multiple accounts with this Apex and LEELOO and try to focus on just take good trades, whatever. Like we are the thin line of the core. I don't know how to say it, but like we are the retailers, right? We are the weak. Just accept that fact and let's move on. Let's try to get better and and just make it without thinking they're stealing us one or two ticks, whatever. Yeah, I mean, we need to accept that we are the weakest part of this business. Like, there are funds, pension funds, hedge funds, managers, how do you call the fund managers? Like, we're just in the, last seat trying to. Bro, I'm gonna make a coffee and I'll coming back. We might have a retracement here. What do you say?
Yeah.
¿Qué dijiste, hermano?
Um,
Sí, está ladilla. Está muy ladilla. Ay. Yeah, I mean, I don't care. We can I'm going to set up the Discord so we can stream live and we don't have like audio issues and stuff. I found a way, but I haven't set up the entire thing. I'm going to check that today if I can get it ready. And yeah, man, I don't care. I don't care. I don't really care. Yeah. Una chepa candela, marico. Tú eres chepa, viejo. Take care of your own business, bro. Oh my goodness. $11 o'clock. 11 o'clock.
11 o'clock and no sign of retracement.
Oh wow. Oh wow. Bro, every time your footprint moves, like I have like
Why?
I don't know, like a reflection or something from the screen.
Oh, 8. See.
That's not your real account. You scared?
I mean, it's already late. I should have taken the for taking a trade against
Boy. No vale, está loco. Ah,
long.
oh long.
4,500.
Those are the good trades. It has to be scary though.
You get stuff out
In no time.
6.
Oh, advanced decline doesn't even fit my screen. Fangs are retracing a little bit, bro. Look at this. Thanks. Not really. I really would I mean, if the tick chart starts to print like minus 1400, minus 1200, I might think about it. Early workout, bro. That was it.
early workout.
Yeah. Oh, what did it? What did gold do though? It went up. It was going up. I checked it. It went down and then went up. 38 bounce. Yeah, crude oil. I got over it. Almost 5%.
How? That daily?
Yeah, that's a
Oh
daily.
my
Crazy. Big time.
god.
Is that a signal of initial rebuying? Rebuying. For Aldi's. Get the stuff. For what? Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, you wanna do a trade?
No, no, I'm not gonna take anything. No trades today, guys. My cousin had a 4500. I didn't take it. Um, and right now it's just waste of time here, just waiting for a trade. Um, unless we have a large retracement to 04, 500, 96, or 92. I'm not taking anything, and it doesn't look like we're gonna have it. Tick chart is above zero. Advanced decline is 2400. It's just staying away is the safest option. Um, see you guys tomorrow. I'll show you Pearson. I'll send you a DM on Discord. See if we can meet up later during the week or next week. Okay. All right. Thank you guys. Later.